Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove website data for a particular website or for all the websites in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm going to show you all the process from the beginning. And the first step, we need to head over to Settings and scroll down until we find Safari. On Safari Settings, keep scrolling down to the very bottom until you find Advanced. And at the very top of the screen, you can easily find Website Data. If we get into it, it will show us all saved website data for all the websites you visited on Safari. That's where we can clear website data for a particular website. You can just swipe to the left on a website for which you would like to clear the data, and then just tap at Delete. We can use Search to search for a particular website. And then once you find one, swipe to the left and then tap at Delete. If you would like to clear all website data, tap at Remove All Website Data here. It says that this will clear data that could be used for tracking, but it is also used by websites to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. To continue, tap at Remove Now. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you in the next one.